Next, I'm going to show you the wxPython dialogs. The dialogs, basically those are the pop-up windows that when you want to communicate something to user, or you want some get some input information from user, you will use them. If you go there and the document, you can see some of the available dialog there. So wxPython have some of the most common ones, so you don't need to redo them. They're there, so you can use them. If it doesn't have it, so we can make it. So to get some idea of what are they look like, one of the good place is to go is to wxPython the demo. If you go to the demo and then click on these common dialogs, so these are the dialogs that are available, so you don't need to write them. For example, if you want to show the about box, so you can have it already there, so you just need to fill it. The color dialog, so it's already there. Again, you just simply can add them. Any of these, for example, to open the file dialog, so it's there, so you can open it or save the file. And the font dialog, so it's there. So it has some of the dialog. It's already available there, so you can choose from those available ones. So and use them. One of them that we use them a lot is this message dialog, that you actually want to show the message. So something like that will pop up, and then it shows the message. So these dialogs are already available. You just simply need to call them. You cannot call them from the Dialogs glade. You have to code them in your code, but they're available. At least you don't need to create them. But if you need a dialog that's not there, you can create them in Dialogs glade. So let me show you here. If you come here and look at here, the first one that we used it was the frame. The second one is a dialog. If you want to create a dialog box, that any dialog that wxPython doesn't have it already, so click on that. This opens, and usually these default values okay, so you click OK, and it creates a dialog for us. If you look at that, so you see our frame and then the dialog are the two different windows. So it will open here, and then I have here, and whatever I want to add there, I can add it. So assume like previous, I want to for example add the text box here. So, and for example, whatever is that, so the user can put some information there, and then when they click OK, I can retrieve those information, or whatever else I need, I can add there in that text box. So I can come here, for example, and if I want to come to the layout, let me see if I expand it. So I can expand it that way, so I have it all the way through. And then if I come here and if I make it one, so here's the text box messages I have. So I have enter all the text I want here, and I click OK, then I can get the information what I want, or any other widget that I want, I can add it there. So let me put it there. So here, if it's available already in wxPython, so we use those dialog. If it's not there, so we can come here and create a dialog ourselves, and then use it in our GUI.